Meaning of indignantly.
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 Indignantly. Indignantly refers to a feeling of anger or annoyance in response to something that is perceived as unjust, insulting, or offensive. When someone reacts indignantly, they are expressing their displeasure in a forceful and often confrontational manner. This can manifest as raised voices, aggressive gestures, or stern language. The result of an indignant response can vary depending on the situation, but it often involves an attempt to assert one's rights or defend one's honor. Indignation can be a powerful motivator for action, driving individuals and communities to stand up against injustice and demand change.